Story 16. I remember having, in the days of my youth, passed through a street, intending to see a moon-faced beauty. It was in Tammuz, which month is that? Whose heat dried up the saliva in the mouth, and whose semen boiled the marrow in my bones. My weak human nature being unable to endure the scorching sun, I took refuge in the shadow of a wall, wishing someone might relieve me from the summer heat and quench my fire with some water. And lo, all of a sudden, from the darkness of the porch of a house, a light shone forth, namely a beauty, the grace of which a tongue of eloquence is unable to describe. She came out like the rising dawn after an obscure night, or the water of immortality, gushing from a dark cavern, carrying in her hand a bowl of snow water, into which sugar had been poured and essence of roses mixed. I knew not whether she had perfumed it with rose water, or whether a few drops from her rosy face had fallen into it. In short, I took the beverage from her beautiful hands, drank it, and began to live again. The thirst of my heart cannot be quenched by sipping limpid water, even if I drink oceans of it. Blessed is the man of happy destiny whose eye alights every morning on such a countenance. One drunk of wine awakens at midnight, one drunk of the cupbearer on the morn of resurrection. Well, it's important to use the times, right?